Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to create a 5-frame animation using the Stykz app. Let's delve right into it. Now, over here we have on my screen 5 frames. So the first frame, there's the second frame, there's the third frame, there's the fourth frame, and there's the fifth frame. Now, we will create the stick figure looking like this, and with that it will emulate the walking posture humans do. So let's see what we have here. I have already created 1, 2, and 3 frames, so I'll be creating the fourth frame and the fifth frame now. And what I'm doing is so that the video will be shorter. So from the third frame, I'll click on new frame to have the fourth frame. Now look at the fourth frame. The fourth frame here, the hands of this stick man do not appear. Then these legs move closer like the one gets in front. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to adjust these legs so that they move closer. So like that, and it should be close to the ground as well. So just bring it like this. Okay, something similar to that. I think I have that, just that my only is shifted forward so much. Okay, so I have that, and the hands are hidden, and I think I'm fine with that. Let me see. I think I should adjust the hands a bit. Which hand is which? Let's see that. Let me angle this a bit, then bring it back here. Good. Angle this a bit and bring it back here. Yes, the hands are beginning to come up a bit forward. Okay, so I'm done adjusting that. That is my frame 4, and then I'll click new frame, and I have frame 5. Now on frame 5 we have this leg, which was behind, coming forward now, so like this, and it's in front, and the hands are beginning to come forward a bit, and this hand is going backward a bit. So let's emulate that. So this leg is going to come out like this. I'll drag this node, yes, and if I want, let me angle this a bit, just slightly. Good. And then let me drag this here. No, that's the wrong node. Here, I think that is perfect. And then this leg would start to bend a bit backward, just like that. And then the hand here will come out a bit, and okay, yes, let me just bring this back a bit. Yes, I think that is perfect. We have 5 frames already. So now let's see the 5 frames, and let's see how this plays. With these 5 frames, I'm going to apply the loop, and with the loop it will make it play over and over, and it will emulate the walking animation. But before I apply the loop, let me just play so that we see what we have. Okay, that was too fast, so I'll reduce the speed here. Let me use 5 and see, play. Okay, now let me apply the loop. With the loop on, you will see that the button will change to red, and I'll click play. There we go. So it's working, and I can make that faster by changing the speed. So I click, and let me increase the speed to 8. Let's see how it is. Wow, so our guy is working. That's good. The head is not shaking in any way. But this is good. This is how to do the walking animation using the Stykz app. The Stykz app is a very interesting app for children who want to learn animation. It's a very good starting point. So thank you for watching my class today. Do have a nice day, and please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Thank you. Stay blessed.